How to add a widget with a picture on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add a widget with a picture on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Adding a widget with a picture means that you want to add a photo widget. Now for this, all you have to do is long press on an empty space on your home screen, and then from the top you can find the plus icon, so tap the plus icon here. Now right here you should be able to see different sort of featured widgets, but here you can see the photos widget. So tap the photos widget and select the style that you want. Depending upon whichever photos widget you want, select that, tap the add widget option, and then now you can simply drag it to any part of the screen. And as a result, also keep in mind that these photo widgets are going to actually get updated automatically, so you don't really have to do anything about it. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add a photo widget on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.